The last few days has not been good for the complete crypto market, with Bitcoin going down below $35,000. This has led to many people speculate whether we are in a bear market for the crypto space. But within the crypto space, there is one particular niche which is doing extremely well, and that niche is the NFT niche. So if we talk about the last 30 days, the NFT sales have risen more than 300%, with the total sales of close to $10 billion. So on our channel, we are on a journey to highlight the top NFTs where you can put in your money and you can increase your money as well. So in this journey, today we have landed on yet another NFT project, which is called the Cool Cats. So stay tuned to this video and find out more details about Cool Cats, how you can own a Cool Cat, and basically what are the benefits of owning a Cool Cat NFT.
Subscribe to watch more videos like this.
Hello friends, my name is Soham and I welcome you to Crypto Bulls Club. Every day on this channel I show you how you can make money in crypto. If you like money in crypto, smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. This will notify you with all the new videos that we release. Also, don't forget to join our Telegram channel where we discuss everything related to crypto, from Bitcoin to NFTs to IDOs, and this is absolutely free of cost. So without further delay, let's jump on straight onto Cool Cats. Let's first understand what exactly is Cool Cat. So Cool Cat is an Ethereum based collection of 9,999 randomly generated NFTs. The project and the surrounding community have grown considerably since its launch in July 2021, and the project is often viewed as one of the blue chip projects in the NFT space. Now let's try to understand what you exactly receive if you hold a Cool Cat. If you are holding a Cool Cat NFT, you will get access to the Cool Cat community, you will have access to random airdrops, access to future Cool Cat events, and a non-exclusive license to do anything with that personal Cool Cat NFT. So you can use your Cool Cat NFT for setting up your Twitter bio, Twitter profile, on your Facebook, Instagram, anything that you want to do. Now I spoke about 9,999. Now how are they categorized? They are categorized based on the coolness. For example, the cool category has about 4,599 cats and they give you points from 3 to 4. There are 3,000 cats in the wild category, which gives us 5 to 6 points, 1,750 cats in the classic category, which gives us 7 to 8 points, and the most rare is the exotic category, which gives us 9 to 10 points. 4 pointers are the one which has the maximum, about 2,600 cats are there, and the most rare ones are the 10 pointers, which has about 150 cats. Now let's talk about the team at Cool Cats. So the main team and the main artist is Clone, who is a cartoonist. So if we go to his Instagram account, we'll be able to see this as well. So these are some of the posts that he has made. He has done a lot of cat drawings and he has followers of about 11,000 on Instagram. If we come back and if we take a look at other team members, then Tom is the smart contracts guy, Link is the building, the maintenance and the website, and Ilu is the creative direction lead. So basically the team is pretty decent. They have some good experience in the NFT space. Now let's try to understand about the roadmap of the Cool Cats and what exactly they want to achieve. Q4 of 2021 is when they launched their new website, the Paper Cats, and the Cool Charity event was done. Q1 of 2022 is where the Artist Spotlight version 2, so our second artist will be included in the team, additional gamified utility for the creators. Then there will be a DAO of the Cool. Also there will be additional utility for the cats as well. If we go to the Q2 of 2022, that is when they are going to launch the Mino Mayhem. So that is basically a secret project, the name is yet to be decided, and the Artist Spotlight version 3 is down here as well. If I have to talk about very quickly about the prices of the NFTs, then the current floor price of Cool Cats is at 11.9 Ethereum. There are, as I mentioned, 9.9 thousand and 74,000 Ethereums have been traded so far. If I have to talk about some of the data related to it, then in the last 24 hours, 101.84 ethers have been traded. The floor volume has been rising, so it went all the way up to 16 Ethereum, then it came down, and constantly since 22nd of December it has been on a rise as well. If I have to talk about the volume, then the volume is also pretty decent. It was very high on the 19th and on the 20th of January, but slowly it's going up again, as we can see. Also what we can see is the OpenSea volume, daily volume, and the transactions of the Coolcat. On the 13th of January, it recorded a great volume of more than $800,000 of volume, and 20 transactions were made. The highest till date is, of course, on the 28th of August. Mind you, this project was launched on the 21st of July, and on 28th of August, it recorded a record volume sales of more than $1.6 million in one single day. Now, if I have to talk about the distribution, then there are 5,129 unique holders. The most one wallet owns is 324. The average ownership is about 2, and the median one owned is 1. So maximum owners own 1, but the average is 2. And of course, if I look at the distribution by wallet, one NFT has about 3,782, and slowly it goes down here as well. The wallet counts have been increasing steadily. This is a good sign of the project and the acceptance of the project as well. If I have to talk about the new holders trends, then the new holders trends died down during October, November, but since December it has started picking up here as well, as you can see very clearly. Now let's talk about how you can actually get the Coolcat airdrop. So basically, there are no fixed criteria as to how you and when you can actually get the Coolcat NFT airdrops, but the best way to get an airdrop from the Coolcat community, from the Coolcat team, is hold on to some Coolcats in your wallet, and there is no fixed criteria. As I mentioned, for example, the team may choose to airdrop all recent Coolcat buyers some good as a welcome to the NFT community. Alternatively, they can also decide to give some airdrop to the long-term community, respecting their loyalty towards the platform. You can also breed the Coolcats, which is in the second generation. How you can actually breed and what will be the process, that is yet not revealed as of now, but this feature is not rolled out yet, and it is expected to be rolled out sometime in 2022. Now, if I have to talk about the social media, then on Twitter they have a follower of more than 110,000 approximate followers on Twitter, and their Discord is very active as well. So personally, for me, I am a big fan of this Coolcat NFTs. Go to OpenSea.io and you can find out more details about it. And here are some of the illustrations that they have done, and possibly once a utility for these Coolcats are published, then they are gonna take off very, very soon. So if you like the content, please smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon. This will notify you with all other videos that we make. And for your information, we come live every day at 9 p.m. India time, so don't forget to join our live sessions where we take Q&As as well. So thank you so much. Stay blessed, stay happy, take very good care of yourself. Bye bye for now.